where I go, you didn't ask for any of this. I know. I know. It, you know, sometimes when things are going badly, I like to imagine myself in different circumstances, ones that make me happy. So I'll close my eyes and I'll think of myself and focus until I can see myself clearly, and then soon that becomes my reality.
But we don't know how to do that.
Well, I just haven't had much practice. You need some help?
Yeah.
Sure. Okay, so close your eyes. Picture yourself in a brand new school, meeting new people, making lots of new friends, laughing with them, playing with them. You really like your new friends. Can you picture that?